Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening your Canva design and confirming you have the QR image ready. This is the only way into Canva if you aren't using a built-in generator. Once done, upload the PNG or SVG via your uploads. Choose high contrast colors so scanners read it. You must pick a clear area and leave at least 1/4 inch of quiet space around the code. Make sure to lock the layer after positioning to avoid accidental resizing while you continue designing. You now place the QR on the canvas with precision. Snap it to the grid and use position tools for exact alignment because scanning reliability depends on placement. While resizing, hold Shift to keep proportions. Do not stretch horizontally or vertically. Once placed, check contrast against background and remove any decorative overlays or transparent filters that could obscure the modules. If you need to test different sizes, duplicate the design and export small proofs for quick scanning checks before finalizing. You finish by exporting the design at high resolution. Choose PNG for digital or PDF for print so the code stays sharp. Immediately test the exported file with several phones and scanning apps from different distances to verify reliability. If a code fails, increase physical size, boost contrast between code and background, and remove any drop shadows or patterns. These are common culprits. If problems persist, re-export at a higher DPI or replace the QR with a freshly generated image and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.